resources given to us at the hospitality management program are out of this world. It's giving me many opportunities to grow and learn and expand on what I already thought I knew. I just got a job at a hotel through hospitality management, so I'm very excited to pursue my career.
One of the really nice things about our department is our faculty. Our faculty are all industry professionals that have worked, are working, own a company in hospitality, have done research in hospitality, so they're very in tune to what our student needs are. You're going to get a lot of hands-on practice here, whether you're going to do the culinary route, the baking pastry route, or the true hospitality management route. You're going to get your hands dirty, like they're doing behind me, but it's a lot of fun.
The professors are very encouraging. You know, it's not just like they're just teaching you and that's it with their day. They're really friendly and they definitely support you and also try to teach you at the same time.
Most of our students will go into the food service industry. We have several that have opened up local restaurants, work for the contract companies that go into the other operations, schools, hospitals, corporations around here and provide food service. When Levi Stadium opened up, they took the lion's share of our graduates and ran them through their operation. We try to partner with as many local restaurants, hotels, and food service operators as we can, provide opportunities either for work experience while they are in our program or to ease them into sustainable employment that when they graduate or complete a certificate or a degree.
Engaging with the H&M program here at Mission College has allowed me to become more confident in the kitchen. It also allowed me to foster a lot of connections with career professionals, and I was actually able to find my job through HM.
I dream of being a chef somewhere, a personal chef, or anything along those lines, and being part of this program has really prepared me.
We would like to have you come experience our program and experience our faculty, learn a lot of good things, get your certificate or degree, and get out into the industry and work your dream.